Have been discussing, guys, vaginal health and healthy, fun reproductive sex. No, I shouldn't even call it reproductive, should I? Because some people don't do it for reproduction. But anyway, the reason why I'm talking about this today is I have seen so many women talk about sex being painful, and I'm like, painful? But I realized that you will have a woman in a relationship for like years, like 5-7 years, and she's been having painful sex the whole time, and she just grins and bears it. So some of the reasons why women may have painful sex, let's say number one is going to be anatomy. Okay, so if you know, or as you know, the female pelvis, we both have, our men and women, we have the pelvic inlet and the pelvic outlet, and so there's something called the pubic symphysis that borders that area, and some men with an arch, if you go under the pubic symphysis, that may or may not hurt and cause pain in that area. Okay, and so you'll find some people that will find it more comfortable to put a pillow up under their buttocks or under their sacrum to kind of elevate that area so that the curve does not hurt. That's one, a urinary tract infection. So I always talk about the organs that are in contact with each other. Okay, there's your clitoris, your uterus, your vagina, and your anus. If there's anything wrong with your clitoris, wrong with your bladder, or wrong with your rectum, it can cause pain to the vagina because those are in direct contact, right? So I had a person come talk to me and tell me that they were having like this painful sex, and found out that they were eating immediately before, and they were having constipation, and they had all of this stool in their rectum, and so it was causing painful sex. So sometimes you just really have to think outside the box. I think on my TikTok page I talked a little bit about a urinary tract infection, so if that's above, okay, so a lot of women will go to the bathroom immediately after sex. I guess the thought process is, if the uterus is undergoing penetration in that area, then that can cause a narrowing or smushing or trauma to the bladder, and so they think that by going to urinate, you can kind of flush and flow the urine through there to open back up the bladder. Is that necessarily true? I don't know. Let's see. So we talked about the bladder. We talked about fibroids. So fibroids, anything like ovarian cysts that are come in close contact with the uterus, the vagina, the bladder, the cervix, those can also cause pain as well through sexual intercourse. So those are just, come on now, sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, y'all. I want to keep this video short, but we really have to be cognizant of STIs. So when I talk to my patients, I ask them, I say, look, have you ever had an STD? And I just roll them off. I say gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis, HIV, herpes, and there are others, but those are the big ones to me. So anytime you are trichomonas, anytime you have a STD, it can cause painful sex. Okay, and know that soon I'll talk also about the smells that you may have during and after sex, because we just have to realize that, it may not be us, right? It's our partner as well. So it's a system, right? So it's you, your partner, and just the energy and the substances that you guys create together. Okay, this is enough for this video. This is a makeup that I did earlier today. A little gold and pink mixed with, I have my earrings on. No lippy today because I was traveling, and of course my grades are coming out. All right, y'all, it's Uterus and Cuteness by Dr. Stacy. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any, please like, subscribe, share. And if you have any questions or anything that you would like me to discuss, it doesn't have to be about sex. It doesn't have to be about necessarily females. It can be about relationships. It can be about anything. I would love to discuss. All right, y'all. Thank you.